Get your sketching game on point with this quick Learn Squared session. Recently, Zahir Aghakhani hosted a live demonstration in which he condensed his fundamental sketching wisdom into a bite-sized crash course for artists of all skill levels. And the best part? He doesn't only go over one sketching method, but 4 different ways of achieving your design. You'll sketch with line to define your forms, use silhouettes to tease out inspired concepts, photo bash images into amazing compositions, and finally, utilize 3D for its speed and versatility. You can create full sketches using just one of these methods, or mix and match however you choose. Each of the 4 techniques includes its own homework assignment to help you expand your horizons. And you can even watch Zahir's full audience Q&A from after the demonstration to hear more in-depth insights. Sign up and see the entire session today at LearnSquared.com.